Hey everyone! Rolling shutter spring manufacturers, take note. Jiaxiao Steel Strip, a 20-year-old factory specializing in high-carbon steel strip, C67, C75, and SATI spring steel with a hardness of 30-55 HRC, offer excellent toughness and are resistant to breakage. Thicknesses range from 0.1 to 5 mm, and widths range from 2 to 500 mm. Custom sizes are available. Annual production capacity, 15,000 tons, ensuring stable supply. From pickling to tempering, every process is meticulously controlled. We can manufacture rolling shutters, saw blades, cutting tools, and automotive parts. High quality, competitive pricing, and fast delivery. For steel strip, look no further than Jiaxiao. 20 years of proven reputation.